it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my October projects for Tammy, My World in OKC's design team. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So for my October project, I decided to use the fabrics that Tammy included in the design kit. And she had some gorgeous fabric, so I decided to go ahead and make this pouch with a charm for my planner. To make my pouch, I've already gone ahead and I have fused these two pieces of fabric together. Both these fabrics were from my kit, and this is going to be the inside. I think it's so pretty. And the outside is going to be this beautiful quilted pink fabric with the little roses in it, and I love it. So what I've done already is I've already put down, I'm going to show you on this side, I folded it once and pressed it, and again, and I've pressed it. So to now stitch it up, we're going to put our right sides together and we're going to open up where we've already pressed it. I'm going to end up stitching right below where I've pressed here, and we're going to stitch that up all at the end. This is the side we're going to end up feeding our elastic through, and we are going to just stitch it this way, and then all the way up this side with our pressed sides together. So I'm going to go to my sewing machine and I'll be right back. So I did my first bit of stitching, and I did make a mistake. When I told you before the directions, we're going to keep this up. We're not going to have that pressed edge down. And you see I stitched down along the bottom and then back up, and I didn't finish this part here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it back down, and you might want to press this part, fold it again, and then we're going to do the stitching all the way around, and then we're going to end up feeding our elastic through. And I have this 1/4 inch elastic, and I'm going to be using this here to feed it through. So this is how it came out, guys, and this is with my planner inside of it, and you can even have room for a pen. There's even room if you want to keep your extra planner stickers. So I'm going to take my planner out and I'm going to show you what it looks like real quickly. So this is it, empty, and I did have the inside looking like that. Super pretty. You see the rose, I love it. And I decided to add a little chunky-ish charm dangle here. I put the eyelet and I attached it with just some, a little bit of elastic, and I just tied that in on the inside. Now if I added some Fabri-Tac back here, if I were to do this again, I probably would have used some interfacing where I punched that in to make it just a little more sturdy. So this is my charm, guys, and I used 2 of the buttons that came in my pack from Tammy. And the way I did it was I used like some flexible wire and I fed it through the loop and I glued it up, and then I added a little bling gem in the back, and then I attached it to the jump ring and the chain. And I thought that looked really cute because I wanted to make use of as much stuff from the kit as possible. And the rest beads that I used, I added them to the eye pins and the head pins. And I used these beads from broken earrings that I had just lying around, and they were the perfect match and color. So yeah, guys, this is my pouch and I absolutely love it. The back is just plain, and I made it this elasticy so that everything stays snug in here. And you can make these for lots of different things, but my idea was to use it for my planner, and I'm super psyched about how it came out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Alright guys, that is it for today. This is my planner pouch. I am super excited with how it came out. It is so adorable, and thank you so much for this fabric, Tammy, and these adorable buttons that I was able to use on my charm. So guys, let me know what you think down below. I really enjoy your feedback. As always, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. And I'll see you soon. Bye!